All right, guys, what's going on, guys? Welcome back again to another video. Today we're going to be talking about scalping secrets that you did not know. So without further ado, let's just jump into the charts, and I'm going to tell you a few secrets that you probably didn't know about scalping, and that will definitely help you in the future. All right, guys, so jumping onto the charts here, as you can see, I have USD JPY marked up. Now, I did a very simple basic markup. I identified my support and my resistance, right? And with that being said, now once you do that, now how am I gonna explain this video, right? Let's say you're a scalper, right? You're scalping, okay? And I want you to focus on this area right here, right? Focus on this little wick right there. Now, secret number one, even though you're scalping, that does not mean you can't look at the higher time frame. You have to look at the higher time frame in order to kind of build a bias towards a certain direction, right? Because remember, in order for smaller time frame to go down, higher time frame should be also going down, right? Now, usually there is different cases where higher time frame is going up, right? Higher time frame is going up, but the lower time frame are going down, and that is purely just a retracement, right? So when you're scalping, what should you do, right? Secret number one, identify strong support and resistance on the daily time frame, right? Once you do that, now let's just say the market is currently right there, right? Boom. Let's cut that in half. There you go. Now, let's say you want to scalp the market. You come in today, you wake up, you open your charts, and you see this right in front of you, right? And you want to scalp the market. You don't want to swing. You don't want to do nothing. Cool. Now, I know for a fact that we are now hitting a very strong resistance on the daily time frame. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to mark that area up with like a triangle, whatever. And I'm going to mark this area up like that. I'm going to mark that wick and then probably call it a clean blue. Let's mark it like that, right? Now you drop down to a smaller time frame, such as 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and you wait for a confirmation entry, right? So now you're not just scalping out of nowhere. You're scalping based off higher time frame analysis, which is, listen, strong. The higher the time frame is, the stronger the levels are, if that makes sense. So now that I want to scalp this down, because I know that we are on this resistance, I will not look for buys unless we break above and come back and retest. But what I will do is look for rejection and try and scalp it down. So let's play this market. Look at this. Look at this. This alone is an entry signal, in my opinion, because this indicates a clear reversal, right? So what I would do is I will grab my short position, place a sell here, stop loss just above, 15 pip, 14 pip stop loss, nothing major. I'll take a 1 to 4, 1 to 5, you know, and this should be pretty damn simple, you know, and this trade shouldn't take time at all. You see here, boom, boom, another bearish engulfing, so that's another entry signal, and then trade went straight to, let's see, yeah, straight to take profit. Boom. So these are the secrets that I guys want you to know. I want you to guys not just trade blindly. I don't want you to guys trade blindly of based off only the smaller time frame, because you could be fooled. What I want you to do is identify strong level support and resistance on the higher time frame. Go down on the 4 hour. You can see we have a bearish engulfing here. We're seeing a retracement. Go down to the 1 hour, go down to the 15, and so on and so forth, right? You can see how the market switched completely from bullish, right, making higher highs and higher lows, to then making the first lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. It's really that simple, guys. Don't complicate trading. And yeah, so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy these little tips and tricks about scalping. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy.